Morning YouTube land, happy Wednesday. Well, what is happening today? What the hell's this? Oh, some belling buying a Range Rover on YouTube. That's definitely my car.
When it's still driving, you can watch your TV on it. There.
Oh well, guess what I'm doing today? I'll show you.
I love this.
I'm having a bit of a clean out in the garden. I've taken that mat up because it keeps staining the floor, and I'm just in the middle of washing down the top of the table. Can't even get my worms out this morning. I've got my worms mixed up, guys, so I'm just having a bit of a jet wash, getting everything a bit clean. I don't like it when it's making the decking dark where the little carpet was, so that's come up. Now, there's a big gap here. As you know, the old Lazy Spa, what was it, Napper, inflatable hot tub got a puncture, so it's been banished to the garage. I've got a new one on the way, should be coming tomorrow. I've got a really posh one. The old one cost about 500 quid 4 years ago. This one's cost me nearly £900, and it's a 2025 model. But I'll show you all that tomorrow, guys. I'm keeping the base because I bought a round one. I was going to buy a square one, but I'm not going to bother now. I'll get a round one, which is slightly bigger than the old one, but it'll fit on that. So let's get on with scrubbing this tabletop. Well, that should make Mrs. C happy when she comes home, because she's gone to do something else that makes Mrs. C happy at the minute. She went out about 8:45 this morning to get her nails done. She loves getting her nails done. So we'll see what colour they are when she gets back today. I love it when she gets her nails done because they're good for scratching my back. She likes scratching my back, and I like that anyway. I'm like a cat. I meow a lot. Big pussy cat. So it's looking a bit cleaner. It's going to start getting better in the UK weather-wise, and with a new jacuzzi I thought, well, I might as well have a bit of a spring clean and clean out the garden before it arrives, and then everything's clean and tidy, guys, and we can have some late night barbecues with these pretty lights on up the top over my head, and some nice clean garden furniture. Well, I'm not going to bore the shit out of you with everything, so I'll just do a bit more, then I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Yeah, not too shabby, guys. I think we've got it. Definitely think we've got it. It's clean. All ready for tomorrow when my delivery comes. At some point I want to sand the top on this and just give it a coat of something. That's going to look really nice when the clematis are all growing up it as well. There'll be white, pink and red flowers. But on the whole, she's not looking too bad. Mrs. C will be pleased. And you know what they say about happy wife? You got it. Happy life, guys. Having a bit of a change around, guys. I'm going to move the table that way around on the decking. That's where the jacuzzi will go, just up the side of the house there. I'm thinking about building something actually on this corner, like a windbreak and a bit of something that comes off the house and covers the jacuzzi. But anyway, I think that's probably in a better place there. Gives you a bit more room as you come out onto the decking from the living room. There should be enough room for the tables and the chairs to pull out. That looks quite nice. What do you think, guys? Should I have left it where it was? And then the jacuzzi will sit over there, and somehow I'll make something that covers it over to give you a bit of sunshade. See what the missus says when she gets back, because I can guarantee whatever I think, she'll have a different idea. Well, it's nearly 11 o'clock, guys, and there's no way on God's green earth that Mrs. C takes 2 hours to get 5 nails done. No chance. I know for a fact she's gone shopping. Guarantee it. I put £1,000 in her account yesterday. She's gone shopping. In other news, I want to say hi to Junior, little brother Junior. Hi Junior, Jing, Kyla. I've made good on my word, and you should have the money in your bank now to pay the other half of your line. For those of you that don't know what a line is, it's the taxi driver's license for life. Little brother's got his brand new motorcycle and his sidecar, and we've paid for his line as well now. He is set for life. He is an official tricycle driver. He owns his own machine, he makes his own money, he has no boss, he owes no money. Every peso he earns, it goes towards his family and for him alone. Okay, so Junior, keep going, mate. Send us some more videos and pictures of the tricycle, because we've got a UK-PINAY tricycle now in the Philippines. I'm so proud of that, and I'm so proud of my little brother as well. I want to say also hello, Maricel, Morris, hi guys, Isaiah, hi Princess, and little Isaac, Boggy Isaac, our two godchildren. Love them so much. Maricel, Morris, hope you're well. Don't worry guys, we've got some little surprises for you in the future as well. Okay, don't want any arguments about it. We've got something nice for you in the future, but it's a secret for now. Okay, right, just gotta wait for Mrs. C to get back. God knows where she is, but she loves shopping. She's one of those women that she'll go out for one thing and she'll come back with about 30, guaranteed. So stand by guys, let's see what she got when she went to get her nails done later on. Mrs. C's back home. First I've seen her. Can't really complain. Oh, thanks babe. I thought you'd been for your nails done, sweetheart.
I've done my nails.
Oh look, pink.
Not pink.
Is that not pink?
It's not
Is that pink guys? It took 2 hours to do that.
It's cute, baby. It's a cute.
Oh, there was a queue. Nothing to do any shopping then.
I'll get you some pastels.
Ah.
Or pastels.
In other words, she said there was a queue, but she got me pastels, which means she went to the shop.
Fruit pastels.
Thanks, babe. Fruit pastels.
I will go to Derby later.
Okay, to the Philippine shop.
Hi guys. I'm cooking at the moment.
I can smell it. What do you think of the garden, babe?
Yeah, it's alright. Did you order this?
No.
You want to go to the garden center and look?
No, because it'd be very expensive.
Okay, what are you gonna do then?
Measure it and figure out which one we need.
Okay. Alright guys.
Just an explanation there, guys. When a Filipino goes with the mouth, she's pointing with the mouth. And when she said, did you order this? What she meant was the thing that I'm going to put over the top of that. So it's either going to come off the roof and down, or it's going to be a pergola, or I don't know, what do they call them, a gazebo? So I need to measure and then work out what sort of height and whether it's going to come off the house or whether it's going to be freestanding. So that's my next job for today. The barbecue's got relocated. I've put that over there. There were ladders there, they've gone in the garage now. Garden tools, they've gone over there to the side of the greenhouse. And the little bowl that was there, it's a little, I've sort of spaced them out. They go all the way down the front of the strawberries now. So I think, guys, we're not too far away, are we? Nice new jacuzzi coming tomorrow. Watch this space, guys. Apart from that, she's looking pretty damn decent for a spring clean of the garden, fellas. I even managed to clean the fountain. That's a little bit cleaner now. Right, nearly finished, guys. I've just put little markers down here, so just in case you're wondering why I've got little stones. We got one there, and we got one there, and one there, and one there, it's because I'm trying to work out what sort of cover I can put over that and what sort of dimensions I can use, and I've figured out 2 metres that way, 2 metres that way. So I've just marked out the 2 metre spots with the white stones, and I've figured out it's pretty much, that window's pretty much central. So if I come off the drain pipe and then across 2 metres, that brings me somewhere there. Window's pretty much in the middle, and I can have a cover over that. So it needs to be 2 metres by 2 metres. Okay, so I suppose it's time to get onto Amazon and see what I can get delivered for tomorrow, guys. As far as the garden's concerned, I'm done. I'm pretty much out of here. It's looking good. It's looking quite clean. Mrs. C is quite happy. She brought me a beer out, so she can't be that bad. But look, guys, that's getting there, isn't it? Imagine that at night when you've got those lights on as well. I think we're there. I think we've just about nailed it. So let me go and buy something for this. Okay, guys, so 10 to 1. Mrs. C's gone to Derby. I had to give her some more money. Bless her. So she's gone to the, where's she gone? The Chinese Oriental shop. She'll be coming back with loads of nice Asian, Filipino goodies for cooking, which is fine. She likes that sort of stuff. I've just been on Amazon looking for a 2 metre by 2 metre gazebo or pergola. It's really hard to find anything decent, guys. Everything's like 3 metres by 2 metres, and it's going to be a little bit too big for what I need. So I'm going to scrap that idea for now, and I'll think of something else later on. I'll figure something out. I might have to build something. So my days of tossing it off are coming to an end. What day is it today? Wednesday. So tomorrow the jacuzzi's coming. Friday is my birthday. 59-year-old, guys. God, old bastard. 59. But I've also got an induction for my new job, which starts on Monday, the 27th. And then I'll be working Monday to Friday each week, 7 till 5 every day. Earning a crust. Back to work. Holiday's over. Do you know what? If I had the cash, and I know what I know now, I've just had over a month off. I could have gone to the Philippines. I'm so pissed off. I could have gone back to the Philippines. Could have took Ascension with me and gone and stayed with Maurice and Maricel for a month in Apalaya. Sorry, guys. It's just weird how life works out, isn't it? So I'm going to drink a Stella, wait for the missus to get back. I've done my good deed for the day, sprung clean the garden, a bit of rearrangement, and yeah, we'll just pick it up again tomorrow when this newfangled new style jacuzzi turns up, and we'll do a bit of a review and a build video on that. So that's about it for now, guys. Have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow.
Sabihin kung paano